What's up, guys? Will H back with another video. So today we're going to be taking a look at my new little speaker here that I picked up from Best Buy. Now, this is the JBL Go3. You can pick this up over there for $39.99 on sale right now. Normally runs about $49.99, so you can save extra $10 right now. This is a portable, waterproof wireless speaker. Now, this features Bluetooth 5.1. This is IP67 water and dust resistant. Comes in two different colors, black and blue. And it's going to be a 4.2 watt speaker. So we're going to check this out. Now, the reason I picked this up, I bought myself a new laptop or a Chromebook the other day. I was sitting outside in my back. I actually had the grill going and I wanted to play some music, but come to find out my new Chromebook doesn't have really loud speakers. So I do have the larger portable speakers, but I did want to pick this up because it's going to be more portable, not just for outside like that, but when I'm traveling, this will be something that'll go in the bag. So here's the packaging that it comes in. You got the big JBL there. JBL says Harman by Harman right there. Bluetooth version 5.1. Dare to listen on this side. There's the back of the case, the packaging. Going to get up to 5 hours playtime, it says. And then about the dust and water resistant there. That is pretty much it as far as the packaging. Very nice. Let's go ahead and open the packaging up. Take a look at the speaker. And like I said, I do have other speakers, but I don't think I got a small one like this. I used to have a bunch of them, but over time I give that stuff away, and before I realize it, hey man, I don't have a speaker, a little small speaker. All right, so let's see what's all in here. So you're going to have your paperwork here, of course. See what all this is. So you get your safety and warranty card right there. Here's your little charging cable, micro USB-A to micro USB to USB-C. USB-A to USB-C. I don't know where I get the micro at. And then you got your quick start guide here. It's going to tell you how to pair this and everything. Hopefully I don't have to use that. So here's the speaker. Made out of some type of fabric going around here. This is rubber here. Doesn't feel very, very heavy. Just a very nice looking device here. You got your minus, plus, and your play. We'll get into that in a little bit on the video. You got your branding right here, Go3, your power button, your Bluetooth button there, and look like a indicator light there. And you got some rubber stoppers here, or rubberized to keep it from slipping. And then you got this nice strap, which I like. I'm going to hook this to different things. And then you got your charging port type C. And they accented it to the same color, orange on your type A, type C as well. And then you got another pad here on the back of it. It's a hard plastic, seems like. Maybe a little rubber, I guess, if you're going to set it like this. I'm assuming the sound comes from all around. I'm not sure, but very nice. Lightweight, doesn't feel very heavy. Very nice looking, like I've said several times. And I like how they put this piece of rubber there so you don't end up wearing out this rope material that they have there as well. So very nice. Let's see if it has any power. And there was a audible right there. And we're going to go ahead and get my laptop over here, my Chromebook over here, and pair it up. And I also pair it with some other devices as well. So let's go. Okay, guys, so we're back in. I have my Chromebook here. This is the Acer 714 Chromebook. It's a 2-in-1. This is the reason why I can set it like this. It comes with a nice stylus as well. Let's make sure that this is in the pairing mode. And as you guys hear, it is waiting to be paired. So we're going to go ahead, open up the Chromebook, go to Bluetooth, Pair new device. And there it is. It came up right away. It says JBL Go3. I'm going to go ahead and pair. Just like that, you guys did hear a audible. And the light is now solid color. So let's go ahead and play some music. Check this speaker. All right, guys. So I have one of my videos pulled up here. And this does have music. So let's go ahead and start it up and see what it sounds like. This is the speaker. Can pause. Start it back up. That's a YouTube video. Very loud. As you guys see, it's rumbling there on the, it's kind of moving, vibrating there. All right, we're gonna go ahead and stop this. So it's very loud, a lot of bass in it. I'm gonna try something else, some more music, and see how it sounds. But very bassy. You set it on the back here, kind of vibrates around a little bit. Let's try something a little bit lighter. All right, guys. So I got some royalty-free piano music here. So let's try that out and see how it sounds. Very nice, clear sound. Very nice. So we're going to go ahead and stop this. Sounds great. Let's go back to my channel and play one of my videos where I am talking. Hate to do you guys like that, but let's try this one here. Just some vocals and see. Let's turn that down. See how it sounds with just vocals if you want to listen at a book or something like that. Podcast or whatever. Will H back with another video. So HDMI and your two USB-A. And then on the front, you do have a sensor there, some branding. Got a cover over your lens right there. On the bottom, you do have some rubber stoppers, feet here to keep it from sliding. Then yeah, it sounds good, man. It's got a deep sound. Bass is nice on it. When I was playing the piano music, highs sound very good. It's clean. It's a very clean sound, very lightweight and portable. So I like it, man. So let's go ahead and finish the video. Okay, guys, so we're back in. Before we get out of here, I want to tell you that I did sync it up, pair with my iPhone as well as my Z Fold 4. But I want to tell you guys how you can use this to skip tracks and reverse. So the plus and minus are only to raise and lower the volume. Skipping tracks and stop pausing is going to be done here. So we start this track up. I can raise the volume, lower the volume. I can pause it, skip to the next track, and play it. Pause it. Double tap to go back to that previous track, play it. So very nice, good looking speaker here, man, that I really am glad I picked up. It's going to be very useful for me. Has this fabric material here. Don't know how well that'll hold up, but very nice looking, like the color as well. So Will H, we'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm out.
Dantana.